kasi mga oo. Kamusta? I-rate nyo, kamusta? Yung daddy nyo o yung anak nyo? Yes. Oh, ano yan?
It's hard to yan.
Hello guys, good morning. So, with 3 hours of sleep and kasama natin si Godfrey. Ang gagawin natin?
Hiking po.
Hiking guys. Talagang yun yung pinili ko, hiking. Abang mataw. Para kay Godfrey. Game, let's go. So, ano oras na sa'yo? 4:53, naglalakad kami papuntang school niya. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. So guys, magbanding kami. Hiking. Kapag pahinga ka naman.
Nakakahinga naman po.
Okay. Sinabi ba kung ilang hours yung pag-hike?
Wala pong nakaspecify pero yung entire trip is from 5
a.m.
5 to 7 po.
7 p.m.
7 p.m. Opo.
So, ilang hours kaya yung akyat at saka baba, no?
4 hours po yung travel. Parang back.
4 hours papunta?
Parang papunta 2 hours at
Okay.
So, 2 hours. Baka
O, dito na ba tayo baba?
5 hours.
Okay.
8 hours na naman 2 hours.
Oh, let's go. Okay guys, so dito na kami sa bridge. Ang bridge na. At tignan nyo yung aming nakikita. Guys, so andito na kami sa loob ng school. 10-minute walk or dilim. Let's go. So dito na kami sa Ateneo sa school. And may mga kapre kada puno. Okay lumabas sa video. Hey guys, sobrang aga namin. Free. So, aakyat kami ng bundok with 2 hours of freaking sleep. Pero para dito, let's go.
Thank you for the gift of yourself. You are precious to me. I am proud of being your son and of you as my father. I am grateful for the life you have given me and mindful of who you are in my life. I honor and bless you as my father. I am grateful for all the sacrifices you have made on my behalf. You have fed me and clothed me. You have sent me to school. You have made me who I am today. Help me to be a good and loving son. Guide me in what I do so that I may become worthy of you. Trusting in you, hoping in you, honoring you, and loving you as a reflection of our Father in heaven. A Father I wish you know and love. As much as I desire to know, to love and cherish you as my Father here on earth, for as long as I have in my life, as long as I have life in me. Amen.
I bless you, Godfrey. You are my beloved son. I have begotten you. You are the fruit of the love I have shared with your mother. You have been, you are, and will be very much a part of me, my son. I treasure you as a reflection of who I am and have become. and I cherish you as a gift God has given me, to care for, to form, to guide, and to love. I ask the Lord to give me the grace of being a true father and friend to you. I ask you to pray for me that I may become the best father I can ever be for you, in what I do, in what I say, and who I am for you. May the blessing of the Father, His Son, and the Spirit be with us always. As you and I promise to bless and honor each other day after day, year after year, and for the rest of our lives. Amen.
You will remember one big hug. One big hug. As tight as you can. Ceasefire. My fellow Ateneans, give me an M. Give me a Y. Give me an S. Give me an O. Give me an N. What do you have? What do you have?
My son!
What do you have?
My son!
Now, gentlemen, give me a Y.
Why?
Give me an S. Give me an O. Give me an N. What do you have?
My son!
What do you have?
My son!
What do you have?
My son! Yeah! Okay guys, finally after 2 hours, natulog ka na. Start na kami ng hike. Ay, ano ba? Di pa, no?
Di pa po. We're going
Okay,
to
so, yes, hike. Let's go, ang lamig. Okay, so, ganda ng display. Pwede pa? Hindi, pwede na nga tambay.
di pa pa yung hike.
Ano, camping, pero
Dalawang pass lang.
Kinwento ni Father Bert na nung unang panahon, pag tine-training nila yung magiging hari, yung mga prinsipe, no?
Not only who we are meant to be, but also we can use this power to influence and inspire others, ibang mga tao, to be who they are and
No judgment.
no judgment.
Okay. What is the antidote to judgment? When you feel like you're judging the other person or yourself. Okay? The antidote to judgment, guide. Okay? For today. Put that, embody that. So let's just repeat it. Okay? What is the thought?
Safety.
Thank you. So,
As mentioned earlier, you will be with
Keep going. Okay, let's stop.
Left. Up, left. Wait, mabilis ka. Stop. Left.
I'll tell you to stop. Okay, right. Okay.
Left, stop. Okay, down. Okay, turn left. Okay, may mga kabump ka dyan. Sige, straight lang.
straight, straight. Left, 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 left. Pivot,
Forward?
left,
Forward, forward.
Left, left.
Forward,
down,
left, left.
down. Stand up.
Opo,
Stand
straight
up,
lang,
stand
straight,
up,
straight lang.
Stand up, stand up. Okay, stand up. Okay.
Straight lang po, straight.
One more.
Right, 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 right. Right,
More.
right na konti.
One more. One more. One more, one more. Okay, one more. Stop. Left, right, right, sorry. Right, right, right. Right. Good job. Up. Okay.
Turn left, turn left. Turn left, left, left po. Full left, full left. Diyan po, diyan, diyan, diyan. Yan, 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 yan. Forward lang po, forward.
Straight. Stop, stop. Right. Right. Okay. Ang bilis.
Yeah. Good job. Forward.
Stop. Left, left. Tapos sa
Wait, may nasa harap, may nasa kabila nyo po. Wait lang po.
Anong kabila?
Sa left side. Wait lang po. Surrounded po kayo, surrounded po kayo. Wait lang. Forward, forward po. Forward na, forward na.
Okay.
Forward na, forward. Forward, forward. Forward, full forward na po.
Forward na.
Opo, okay na. Sige, okay na po kayo, okay na po kayo. Saan po yung cloud?
Stream kayo, sir.
At ang aming forest hiking po, ang peak po natin ay 490 meter above sea level.
Check po talaga. So, hindi naman pala yung tipong parang yung walang, oo. Kaya mo kagad. So guys, nakabalik na kami! Yay! Aray ko. Tusok. And Godfrey, ang time natin? We are what?
1 hour lang po.
Yes. And 30 minutes lang namin na mas maaga kami sa expected time. Yahoo! Ibig sabihin, mabilis kami. Sa base camp. And sobrang gutom na kami. Pero masarap at masaya. Aba, may swimming pool. So, maganda dito ang kabanding ng family. May pool at may pavilion. Bye guys, this is your mentor, Bidil Fuente, and
Bye.
bye. Ahoo.